Hiccups. Pepper, George, Mummies, and Daddy were having breakfast.
Pepper, George, Mummy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely
lovely sunny day.
Sunny day, and Pepper and George can't wait.
And Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play.
To go into the garden to play.
Mommy, please can we go out to play?
Please can we go out to play?
You can go out to play when you finish your
Go out to play when you finish your breakfast.
breakfast.
George, don't drink it.
George, don't taste your juice quickly.
Juice too quickly.
Hiccup.
George drank his juice.
George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccup.
Too quickly, and now he has hiccups.
Can we go out to play now, Mommy?
Out to play now, Mommy. Not while George has
Now, guys, George has
hiccups. But George's hiccups have gone, Mommy. Haven't.
but George's hiccup have gone. Mommy has this George.
Hey, George. Oh, all right. You can go out and play, but look after.
Oh, alright. You can go out and play.
Oh, all right. You can go out and play, but look after
When looks at George.
George.
Pepper and George
Peppa and George love playing in their garden.
love playing in the garden.
George, I'm gonna throw
George and Gunnar throws the ball.
the ball, and then you have to catch.
And hint, you have to catch it.
George,
George stops hiccup.
please stop hiccuping.
George,
George! Now you throw the.
now you throw the ball to me, and I have to kick it.
Ball to me, and I have to catch it. George!
George, oh dear,
Oh dear, George's hiccup.
George's hiccups are spoiling your game.
So spoiling the game.
George!
George, I know how to cure hiccups.
I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what
You have to do what I say.
I say. Rub the top of your.
Let's just stop up to here and rub you to me.
Go ahead and rub your tummy. Good.
Good. Now your hiccups have good.
Now your hiccups have gone.
Peppa curls for hiccup just seems to have worked.
This cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you've done it
You've done it as wrong.
wrong. I know it.
I know a better ways to choose
Better way to kick
hiccup.
or hiccups. First, jump up and down.
First, jumps up and down 3 times on one leg.
Or 3 times on one leg. Now,
Now, raise your arm up and down
wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue
and stick your toe out.
out. And now, close your eyes and turn around quickly.
And now close your eyes and turn all around quickly.
Close your eyes and turn around quickly
3 times.
times.
Không nói trước người ta, con phải nghe người ta nói xong dừng lại và nói theo, không nói trước.